I think it's important in a divorce to understand a client's real estate portfolio. Real estate interests can be different. We have clients who are developers who are in, typically single-purpose entities that acquire property and develop property, manage property. Sometimes our client is a manager. Sometimes our client is just an interest holder. And depending on the client's position in each particular real estate asset, and if the asset is income producing, what is the plan for the asset? Are there other people involved, third parties to whom our client might have fiduciary obligation, or our client's spouse might have fiduciary obligation? That offers a lot of opportunities, because one of the positive or negative, depending on which side of the equation you're on, aspects of real estate portfolio is typically with a real estate portfolio, there are unrealized gains in that property. Particularly if it's commercial property, it will have been depreciated heavily, which means that when it's sold, there'll be a large tax consequence. If you're the person coming out of the divorce who's going to keep that property, you're going to bear the tax consequence. The bad news in Arizona is the court typically is not going to give you a discount on the value for the unrealized gain. That's a big disadvantage. And on the other side, if you're getting bought out at the fair market value of the property less the debt, you're not incurring any tax consequence because the government has created a tax provision that lets you get that money tax-free. And so that's one of the sort of yins and yangs that goes with the real estate portfolio. And it may be advantageous where someone is made comfortable about being in a situation where they're just an interest holder, for them to keep their interest in the real estate instead of getting bought out. That could benefit both parties potentially. One party gets part of the cash flow, they get distributions, they get treated equally with the other minority owners in the property, and the person who is staying in control of the property doesn't have to buy them out tax-free.